Hi everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question remove duplicates from sorted list. Okay, so let me explain with this example 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. So this question is very simple, right? So if current value is equal to next value, so they are duplicate. In that case, remove next node and connect current node with next node. So now head pointer is pointing this one. So let's iterate through one by one. So first of all, we found the current node with one value, and the next value is 1. So they are duplicate, right? So in the case, remove this node and connect current node with next node. And then in the case, we don't move this head pointer to next. Why? So that's because what if this value is 1 and now we connect like this? So in that case, let's compare current value with next value. Now next value is this one, right? Not this one. So in the case, they are duplicate, right? So in the case, we have to remove this node and connect this node, right? So that's why if uh, we move head pointer to next when we find like a duplicate, so in the case, head pointer is here. So, and this value is 1, right? So in the case, we cannot remove like a duplicate node, right? It's tough because we connect like from this node to this node, right? We can't go back. So that's why it's tough to remove duplicate, right? So that's why when we find a duplicate, we don't move pointer, just remove next node and connect current node with next node. Okay, so let's go back to main point. And then, so now we remove this node and connect current node with next node. So compare current value with next node, in this case 2, right? In the case, they are different. So that's why, in the case, we move this head pointer to next. And then we do the same thing. So check current value and the next value, and they are duplicate, right? So in that case, we remove next node and connect current node with next node. So that is 3, right? So now we found a duplicate node. So that's why we don't move head pointer to next. We stay here. And then again, check current node and current value. And then next value is 3. So in the case, they are different. So that's why we should move head pointer to next. And now head pointer is pointing 3. So we have current value. I mean, current node is not null, but next node is null, right? So in the case, we stop iteration and look at the whole list. So 1, 2, 3, right? So it seems like we can successfully create a non-duplicate list. So all we have to do is just return whole list like 1, 2, 3. But the problem is head pointer is now pointing 3. So, but we want to return whole list. So that's why we need like a pointer pointing this one. So how can we deal with this problem? So it's simple. Before we iterate through all node one by one, so we copy head pointer with another variable. So let's say a result variable, and then we do the we do the comparison and like a current node and the current value with next value. Okay, so let me demonstrate quickly. So we remove everything, and then so now we start over again, and then head pointer is now pointing 1, and we copy this head pointer. So let's say result variable. So result pointer is pointing 1, and the head pointer also pointing 1 because we create a result variable with this head pointer. So, and then now current value is equal to next value, right? So we remove this node and they connect like this. And the next, so they are different, right? And then in the case, head pointer move next, and the next. So they are different, they are same, right? So in the case, remove this node and then connect next node. And then now they are different, right? So in the case, head pointer move next, and then next node is node. So we stop iteration, and all we have to do is just return this result variable, I mean result pointer, because our result pointer is pointing 1. So that's why we can return like a whole non-duplicate list. Yeah, so that is the basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, create a result variable, and we copy head pointer. So now result pointer and head pointer is pointing the first node. And then while head is not new and head dot next is not new, in the case we continue. So if head dot var, so current value equal head dot next value. So next value. In that case, we should remove next node, right? So how can we do that? And it's simple. So head dot next equal head dot next. Easy, right? And then else. So in that case, they are different. So we move head pointer to next, right? In the case, so head should be head dot next. And after that, so head point move forward, right? So that's why we need a result pointer. So all we have to do is just return a result pointer. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of the solution should be order of n, where n is the number of nodes in the linked list. And the space complexity is, I think, O1. We don't use the extra data structure. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.